What's up, everybody? Do a little update on the weather here. We're in West Tennessee in the middle of the 2026 ice storm, and right now we have about that much snow, and it's getting cold. It's about 4 degrees wind chill, and we're expecting it to last for 2 days. You say stay to the left?
Yeah.
Well, close.
Good day for it.
Yeah.
This is that slide off into the pond I was worried about if we get too close to it.
10-4. I'll get the saw.
I got him. Go ahead. Yeah. Yeah. Notch him a little. Probably. He's gonna go that way anyway. Y'all wanna come over here, babe? Backside.
I'm gonna push it. Alright. I'll give you just a second.
Man, yours is different than Cam's. Nice.
Ready?
Yeah. Keep going. Widowmaker.
Hold that real quick.
Give him a rip. Okay. Perfect.
Play again, over.
We're gonna go around this hill, around this bend right here. We got a pretty bad hill ahead of us.
Roger that, up on the left there.
Copy.
10-4. Update here, it's the snow has turned to sleet and I'm standing on the road in the middle of the road. Not a good idea, but there's no cars coming. And road's packed pretty hard. It's drivable, but it's slick. And it's probably gonna get a lot worse. Catch y'all later. Laudermilk Outdoors here, hanging out with the Markham Life channel, enjoying the icy cold snow day.
Yeah.
2 days of just a random weird storm that we get in Tennessee about once a year. So
yeah,
got to make the best out of it.
yeah.
It's a lot of fun. It's cold. We're not used to it down here. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Taking refuge under this cedar tree blocks most of this sleet.
Yeah.
So all of our snow has 100% turned into sleet. It's 20 degrees with the wind chill factor that's bringing us down to 4 degrees right now currently. It's about 1:30, 1 o'clock, and it is cold and it's sleeting. We got 24 more hours of sleep.
Yeah.
So we're gonna just pill around and see if the power goes out. And not planning on camping, but if the power goes out, we won't have any choice. We'll be camping.
Good night. How you feeling there?
Sink don't work.
Nope.
Somebody's done looted this place.
Yep.
No canned goods. Sink don't work.
Yeah. What's wrong with this right here, Uncle Henry?
This is a good spot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Clear out a few
here.
limbs. Pretty flat. Huh.
Think we can ice skate on it?
I don't know, let's check. I don't know. It's hard to say.
Hard to know where the edge is.
It is. Look it. Look it. I think it's right there.
You think it's there?
I think it's right here.
Oh, you think we're on it?
Yeah. Good night.
Oh, here it is.
There it is.
It's close.
Yeah.
We can walk on it tomorrow.
Yeah.
We'll leave this here. We'll check again later.
We're gonna walk on there. We can. Man, would that be fun?
Man, you could build a massive tree house in that thing right there.
Yeah. If it wasn't split.
Look at this thing.
Yep, that's, yeah, lightning. It's not, that's rotten. Yeah. Right there. Oh, poison ivy. There's poison ivy on this tree.
Oh, it is.
I'm good.
Yeah.
Huh. Would be a good tree house.
Wow. Damn, it's like the Native Americans have been here.
Kitty, 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 kitty.
That's why she's called Scaredy Cat.
We made it through the first wave of the storm. Got about 5 inches of snow, sleet mix. No freezing rain yet. We got another cell moving in on us around midnight. It's supposed to be all freezing rain. But of course, weather people say, you know, well, it could be just more sleet. So we'll see. And hopefully this is a good video, because it's kind of like a compilation of a snow day. We'll see how it turns out. Appreciate you guys watching. Well, we had a boot blowout today. My 13-year-old muck boots. Finally bit the dust. So we're just gonna try some Redneck Ingenuity 3M Auto Advanced Black Super Weather Strip and Gasket Adhesive. Clean surfaces, clean and dry. Apply thin layer. Oh, this stuff's already sticking. I need to hurry up. Yeah, this is gonna be good stuff here. See how sticky that stuff is? Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh crap. Hope I didn't mess up. Not going fast enough. Thank you. Enough? Yeah, check it out. Basically using it like caulk. And whatever works, save $200. Sorry, Muck Boot brand, if you're watching this. I'm poor. Very scientific method here. Good enough, right? Shout out to the Good Enough Fathom Lounge. Alright, let her eat. It's pretty much all ready. See, it's already kind of good enough. Might as well. All right. I'll let you guys know if it works. Lord, yeah. We got 5 inches of snow yesterday, and then sleet, and then it turned to freezing rain, and there's a thin layer of ice on top of that 5 inches of snow, so thick that you can walk on it, almost. See what I'm saying? Difficult to walk. Everybody around here is out of power. West Tennessee, anything south of about mid West Tennessee and lower, they got the worst of it. North of here, some freezing rain, but all right, it's cold, windy, cold. I don't know, it's 20 degrees. I don't know what the wind chill is. Close to 0. Cold for us in the south. Good night. Different out from under these power lines where they snap and kill me. It is so cold. This wind is howling. There's ice over everything. I mean, that's crazy. This is a bad ice storm. Yesterday wasn't nothing. It freezing rained all night last night. Now we know what freezing rain is. Liquid, when it hits the things, it's freaking so cold here that then the rain immediately freezes, so it just builds up and adds ice layers over literally everything. So I don't know how much we're gonna do outside today. Right now we still got power, but everybody around us doesn't. I don't know how that's possible. Update later. See you guys. Let's see what we got here on these boots. That sealed that one up pretty good. This one right here, oh no, it's held pretty good. Test them out, see how they work. I'm looking at you, dead center.
Okay.
Where are you at in the camera?
You go tell them where I'm at in the camera, because I can't see as far. I think I'm in the center.
Center?
I think I'm in the center.
You're,
you
I
see my
think you're in the
face?
front.
I wish I had a mirror. I'd rather have 3 feet of snow than a ½ inch of ice. Look at this. Oh yeah, that's what we got. Freezing rain ain't no joke, guys. So this is what we got on the ground here out in the field. That's about 2 inches of ice, and it looks like freezing rain, sleet, freezing rain, sleet. Like 2 different events of it. Wow. Trying to help out global warming. Thaw some of this sleet out for y'all. Thaw this ice out for y'all. Hey, we do what we can around here. Welcome to the South.
like saw a huge device on here, man.